This is the Chipotle behind me here in Navy Yard where the brawl happened on Saturday night. We're just about a block away from Nats Park. D.C. police have not yet been able to identify anybody in that video. However, they just put out some photographs of some suspects, which you're going to see here in just a minute. Now, D.C. Attorney General, U.S. Attorney Jeanine Pirro says that she wants some certain data from the D.C. school systems, D.C. public schools. But we just heard from the D.C. public school system, and they said they're not going to turn anything over without a legal court order. U.S. Attorney Jeanine Pirro says she has spoken with the Chancellor of D.C. Public Schools, Attorney General Brian Schwab, and Interim Chief of Police Jeffrey Carroll about chronic curfew violators, chronic truants, and juveniles in trouble with the law in hopes of getting a handle on teen takeovers. Now, News 4 has learned Pirro's office has asked DCPS for school attendance records. The U.S. Attorney wants the records in hopes of finding the teens responsible for youth crime across the district. And the U.S. Attorney says she is not stopping there. Parents could also be held responsible.
We are looking beyond those individuals who are committing the crimes, irrespective of how old they are. And we're looking at the parents to make sure that they understand that they are responsible for the upheaval that is going on in this district that is impacting everyone who lives here.
Central to the U.S. Attorney's interest in getting to the bottom of it all was what happened Saturday night at the Chipotle in Navy Yard, where two groups got into a fight in which chairs were thrown and customers took cover. Late this afternoon, D.C. police put out these two photographs of people detectives would like to speak to in connection with Saturday night's brawl.
Starting now, parents, you're paying the bills. And if you know where your teen is and what your teen is doing, and you allow them to continue their conduct and continue to allow them to flourish, then we're going to prosecute you.
Pirro says she will use the criminal statute, contributing to the delinquency of a minor, and that's not all. The U.S. Attorney says she's asked the FBI for help. How?
They have, I don't want to say techniques. Do you want to talk about it or no?
Not at this
He doesn't want to talk about it. You see, that's what happens with the FBI. They are using all of their resources.
Jeanine Pirro also says investigators are looking for social media accounts where teens are posting videos of themselves and others taking part in the takeovers. She says clicks on your account are not worth it, and what's posted to social media doesn't go away. Now we want to show you a little bit more from that statement we got from D.C. Public Schools. This is in part. It says, we want the district's families to be assured that we take our responsibility to protect student data seriously and will only share education records when required by a lawful court order. That's the latest here from the Navy Yard. Now back into you.
All right, Paul Wagner live for us with an update. Paul, thank you.